again to my channel. I'm Nancy Amadi, and you, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate all my viewers and all my subscribers. You all are the best thing that has happened to me in this my YouTube channel. You don't know what you mean. You guys don't know what you mean to me. You mean so much to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I'm honored that you guys are always watching my videos anytime I upload, and because of this I bring to you all a little secret that I use to have this glow on my skin and the brightness that I'm having on my background. I'm going to be teaching us how to do a reflector, a DIY reflector of just two things, and which is a board and a foil paper. And with just 1,000 naira, if you are in Nigeria, you have achieved that. I know that the challenges that we face are much in creating, YouTube content, and one of them is brightness. Sometimes, because we don't have much funds to buy enough lightness, our movies don't come out, or our videos don't come out the way we really want them to come out. Our skin might be looking shabby, or not looking fine, but then this DIY reflector will just change the story for you. Whether you are an old YouTuber or an upcoming YouTuber, if you don't have money to buy the reflector that is expensive, with this you are good to go, because that's what I use. Yes, having this thing has really done so much for my video. All I need to do is just place it where the brightness can be reflecting on my face or my skin, and I'm good to go. You don't need to spend much. You can actually start up with little and you have a good video. So guys, let's get going. Let me show you guys how to do it. Easy peasy. So friends, I have here my foil paper and my board, right? I got this board from a cake shop. You can meet a carpenter to make a board for you like this. And then I got a foil paper. Most of these things are easier for me because as a baker, I do have some of these things available. So all you need to do is open your foil. Now you want to use this place. As you can see, if you see, this place is not as bright as this place. Are you seeing it? So you want to actually use the upside that is bright and make sure that this place is inside. Just as it is like this, your board stays in here. So hope you can see. Please, I'll try as much as possible to place the video, and then you measure it. You don't really need much thing. So you just measure to be sure that it will go, then you cut off. In less than 5 minutes, you are through with this. So take this one here. So this is this. All you have to do is just try and couple it. There's no hard and fast rule about doing this. All you need is the brightness at the front, right? Yes. And remember that foil is always so soft and easy to tear. So after usage, please try to keep it safe, else you'll keep buying foil over and over and over and over and over again. Voila! It's ready. Can you see? This is it. Can you see? So you put it in front of you, especially for those that don't have bigger ring lights. Those small ring lights don't really serve much. I don't have the small ring light. I don't have any ring light, so I use this one because this one even serves more purpose for me than ring light. So do you see it? So can you see? What are you noticing any difference? Right? You're seeing any difference? So how do you see it? So this is what I use, and make yours and let me know how it came out. And if you really like it, please remember to drop your comments. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and subscribe and subscribe again and again. Thank you so much.